Hello friends, thank you so much for tuning in to the Shayna Krause DIY channel. You might know me from my crafting channel as shown here, where I do tutorials on embroidery, sewing, sublimation, heat transfer vinyl. And on this channel, which I just decided to open up today on January 1st, 2026, Happy New Year's to everybody by the way, I decided to open this page up because I wanted to take you guys along the journey. Like, there's so many different things that I do around my craft room. For example, like when I built my thread rack. Or like how I built this shelf to store my hooping stations. I hope you decide to join me on this journey where I can help you make your craft space awesome. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Of course, leave me any questions down below. Thank you, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Bye!